Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a quick unboxing video for you. I just got these in the mail, and a couple of cool items. I've been waiting for this one. Seems like forever, and it finally came. But yeah, I'm just gonna open these up, show you what I got, and maybe look at them a little bit. But this isn't gonna be a review or an assembly video or anything like that. Just a quick unboxing, and yeah, let's get to it. So let's use the CJRB Milea. This is turned into my favorite little box opener. Got the packing slip. So this I bought for my new Leatherman wave, and it is a Kydex Multitool Sheath from Clip and Carry. Now I got this on their Black Friday sale. They started early. I got it for $20.99. Normally they're $29.99, you know, $29.90 whatever. But I don't know if the sale's still going on. You can definitely go check, because that's basically $10 off. And this is for the Leatherman Wave Plus. They have them for Gerbers, they have them for Victorinox, they have them for other Leatherman, even like the Squirt PS4 and the Gerber Dime. They got little ones. But yeah, let's check this out. This is like my first Kydex, really anything. I can tell right now I have a pocket clip on my Wave Plus, and it's not going to fit. So I do have everything in this sheath. I got the bit extender down the side. I got the bit set kit in the back. The wave plus the clip. And I just have a little Olight i3T. But I finally got this thing, everything to fit in this. Even with the pocket clip, it fits. So this has been working out good, but I wanted, you know, another option. So yeah, definitely gotta take the pocket clip off. And these are easy. You press the lock button and it pops right out. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, it goes in good. Let's move this out of the way. Oh man. Yeah, it slips out, but you gotta shake it a little bit. And you can tighten the tension up. In fact, I said this is going to be a quick video, but let's try it. Wrong side. Give it about half a turn maybe. That's actually probably too much. I tell you, I'm really liking this wave. Oh yeah. Yeah, I could probably go just a little more. I forever always open the wrong side. Go about a quarter turn. Now let me tell you, it's not gonna randomly just fall out, because I'm flicking it pretty good. Got a nice belt clip. You can adjust this to angle it a little bit. Forward, backwards. I think they said 20 degrees You can turn it. So that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, I can fling it out, but man, I gotta really like shake it, but locks right in there. I mean, so yeah, that's cool. Obviously, I can't have the bit set and all that stuff with it, but like I said, sometimes I don't want to carry the bit set and the extender. And another option, another carry option, I can put in my pocket, use this sheath, use this, use the sheath on my backpack. So yeah, cool. I'll come back in another video and tell you how this works out, but I think it's going to be pretty good. I really like that. So this one, I've been waiting forever for this thing to be released. I ordered it from Amazon, and the delivery date was November 27th through December 10th, and it's the 28th, so I got it early, but still took a few weeks. Look at this. Come on. That's nasty stuff. So yeah, I got the Worksharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener. Yeah, I've been needing one of these. All I have is the Worksharp Guided Field Sharpener, which works pretty good, but this is a lot better. And this thing was 50 bucks. $49.99, $49.95, I can't remember, but 50 bucks. Got it on Amazon, and yeah, I tell you, can't beat it. Well, we'll open it up and take a look at the parts anyways. So basically that's the base. This is the clamp. You just loosen that up. And all I got is this one. So basically just clamp it on. That is if I'm going the right way. Trying to hurry, I don't want to make this a long video. This is my last night. Tonight I gotta work, then I'm on vacation I got 9 days off. So I'm gonna be putting out a lot of videos, or I'm gonna be recording a lot of videos to put out for December. I'm gonna try to put out a video every day. So basically, this is a small knife. Kind of do that. Got paperwork, directions, tells all the parts, leave a review, and this is why it's precision adjust. You can adjust the angle just by turning this knob. It's kind of tight. It's not gonna move on you while you're working. So you got 15, 20, 25, 30 degrees plus one degree increments in between. So yeah, that just snaps in like so. Kind of a bad camera angle to do this. This thing, actually, see there's magnets in there. There's a magnet No, that's too easy. So I can't wait to play with this. So here's your stone, your system. Slide it up and down. And this also is magnetic. You put that up in. Man, this is so cool. And that's a whole setup. Kind of find your angle. Such a little knife. But basically, you get the right angle. This is pretty close. You have 320 grit diamond stone to 600 into a ceramic stone, and basically just go like so. And you can leave that in there. Move this out of the way. Then when you want to do the other side, press this button on the back and you can rotate it. Then you can do this side. Then you got these little rubber stops so you don't go too far, go past the blade. So this could come way down. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, got a full stroke. Cool. I can't wait to play with this. Like I said, I gotta work tonight. I gotta get some sleep. I stayed up waiting for this. But yeah, this is so cool. This thing, I think I'll carry this tonight. I'll just throw this in the car. Excuse me. I'll throw this in my lunchbox or take it in the car in case I, whatever reason, need those bits. But yeah, I guess that's it. Just a quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys these things, and yeah, I got a few knives that really need sharpening. Good sharpening. This one is still good, and this is what is the blade steel on this? I can't never remember. AR RPM 9. Right there. AR RPM 9. I have no clue what it is, but it's holding. I've opened a lot of boxes and cut a lot of stuff with this little knife, and this is holding up really good. But yeah, like I said, this is a quick video, and as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below, especially if you have this or a clip and carry holster or sheath for your multi-tool, how you like it. And subscribe to the channel if you have it. And until the next video, bye.